Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have March's little bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so March 2024 little bee box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, this box is geared towards little ones, hint the little bee box. And basically when you do sign up, you tell them the age, the gender, that kind of thing. And then they're basically custom made for the recipient and all based on the age and all of that. So they take all of that into consideration when they build these boxes. So it could be a mystery of different products based on the recipient. For my box, it's actually geared towards my friend's little girls. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what the March box brings for a little one-year-old little girl. I'm always so excited to see what's in them. They're always packed with the best products. And again, they leave the guesswork out for you and they know exactly what to put in them based on the age. So here we go. When we dive in, that's what it looks like. Right on top, you have their card, little bee box saying thank you for your purchase. So if you do have an Instagram, you can post your photo and tag them on it. And then we have the card for the month. And March, it says embrace the journey. Motherhood is a journey, not a destination. Try to enjoy the ups and the downs and cherish the moments along the way. And then the back will go over the pricing per item that is inside of the box. Again, embrace the journey is this month's theme. This is what it looks like when you first open it up. And there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. All right, so right on top we have, it says Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, and it's a pop-up fairy tale book. Ooh, and it is a pop-up book, look. So those little characters right there popped up. How cute. I don't think we've got anything like this that actually is like a little pop-up book, but that is adorable. And Anastasia loves books, her reading time, all of that, so she's going to love it. Like, whoop, whoop, whoop. So here is the pop-up book. This right here, it says baby reading book, $4.49. So there is the book right there. Next on top we have is the Disney Baby Mickey Mouse brush and comb set. It would be cute if it was Minnie Mouse for a little girl, but that is perfectly fine. But there is the hair brush and comb set. It just says baby brush and comb set, $5.49. And then there's the comb on that side. And then the brush is like the little white soft bristles looking. And then the comb will be just like the plastic tooth comb bristles. So here is a brush and comb set, again, valued for $5.49. Next up we have, it says Light Up Musical Jellyfish. That is so cute. Look at the little jellyfish. I was not expecting that. It said light up. I didn't know it was gonna start gurgling at me too. So it's lighting up its little cheeks. And then here's like a little fish on the bottom and then these little stringy little things. And you can hang that anywhere for them to play with. How long is that going to go on for? Can you be quiet now? Thank you. Okay, so now we have the outfit and it looks like it is going to be a few different oh my gosh, this is adorable. Oh my goodness gracious. There's a lot of pieces here. Here's still more pieces coming out here. So you have this cute little shirt right here and it looks like it has peaches on it. I think those are peaches, some kind of a fruit on it. That is adorable. This is 12 months. And then you have these little shorts to go with it. It has like a little ruffle. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is supposed to be a shirt or a dress. I'm gonna assume it's a shirt because I think that would be a little small for a dress. So I think this is how it goes. A shirt and then you have the little booty shorts down here. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. And then it does have the matching headband, which matches it perfectly, which you can also use this for the next set because it does have the peach right on top as well. This is a beautiful color, and my friend and I share the same like teal and mint like favorite color. So I know she's going to like it. This actually says retail value of $40 on the tag, and that's what it says on here too. It says baby girl 5-piece set, $40. So $40. And then here is the brand. But here's a onesie, and then you can have these little shorts that you can put on as well, and then you can use the same headband if you wanted to, because again, it matches it perfectly. And I guess if you wanted to put these little shorts on over this, you could, because it would still match. So this is like an interchangeable outfit with 5 different pieces. So you got 2 outfits and a headpiece. That is super cute. I love that. Look at how cute. So that's everything that comes in for the baby. Then the last item is a free gift for the mom. I really love this concept because it's not just then for the child. You have something for the mom to enjoy as well. So this month it looks like it is a 4-in-1 interchangeable pedicure set is what I'm gonna say. The free gift sticker is completely right over that. Okay, so I see right here you press this button and then you can remove this top part, and then you have these other pieces that you can put on in its place. So it looks like you have the little, let me see if it actually tells me what is all inside, so I'm not just like butchering the names of these things. There's a pumice stone, there's a callus shaver. That's what I was going to say, where you can just shave the dead skin off, but it's called something. A callus shaver, a callus rasp, R-A-S-P, and then a skin smoother. So yeah, there's 4 different attachments that you can use on this handle. That is really neat. 4-in-1, interchangeable for your feet. Get your feet nice and putter-curd. So that is everything for the March box. Again, this box is geared for a 1-year-old little girl. You have the free gift for the mom. You have the cutest 5-piece clothing set. You have a toy, which makes some noises. You have a brush and comb set, and then there is the book. Okay, you guys, so now that is everything for the March 2024 box. What do you guys think of it? I absolutely love that outfit. That outfit is super cute. I'm totally loving that outfit. That is definitely on the top of one of my favorites, because there are just so many cute outfits that come out of this box and just amazing products. So again, I just love this box. I love kid products, so love it. If you would like a little bit more information about the Little Bee box, I will let you know right about now. One new change though is they eliminated the Little Bee hair accessories box. That's the one that just had all of the hair accessories in it. They eliminated that one, which I kind of feel is a great idea, because all they have to do is like put like 1 or 2 in the main box, and then everything is in one. You don't have to worry about 2 different ones and all of that confusion and all of that stuff. So now it's just this box and then the one-time gift box, which I love that option as well. So for the Little Bee box, each box will include 5 to 8 products picked by passionate parents on our board to make every day fun and fulfilling for your baby, making every moment memorable and joyous. They ask several questions when you do sign up. So again, they'll know if it's a boy or a girl, the age appropriate, that kind of thing. So you answer all those questions, and then it's tailored just for that child. So if you would like to do a month-to-month term, it's a gold term. That is $51.95 per box. If you want to bring your price down, you can do a 6-month term, which will bring it down to $45.95. And then a full 12-month prepaid plan will bring your box price down to $43 per box. And then the one-time gift box, that's $65 with free shipping, US shipping. That one, the shipping is included. The Little Bee box, the shipping to the US is an additional fee. But for the one-time gift box, it is included. It says, give the gift of the Little Bee box to your loved ones and friends. Introducing our beautiful baby gift box, the ultimate present for new parents or expecting moms. Packed with all the essentials for happy and healthy babies, this gift box is perfect for baby showers, birthdays, or any special occasion. Shipping is included to the US in this price. You get to select from newborn, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or 24 months, and then the color pink, blue, or neutral when you do sign up for that one. Then they take all of that guesswork out of it for you. They get everything all ready. They tailor the box and they can either mail it directly to the recipient, again, free US shipping, so you can mail it straight to them, nothing else for you to do. Or if you're actually going to attend the baby shower or the birthday party or whatever it might be, you can just ship it to yourself, still free US shipping, and then you can wrap the box and bring it with you if you are attending. So I love that you have both options, and you can do like a monthly box or you can do the one-time box. Both of them, they're packed just for that child, so you don't have to worry about what do they need, what do I need to get them. Nope. The little bee box will take care of that for you. So everything will be linked down below. You can use my code SheCrafty to save 30% off if you are interested. Again, they will all be linked down below. If you would like to check out other companies or other discount codes or learn more about me and my animals, you can always visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, so you can see all of the different videos that I do upload. I do so many different types. So if one comes up that you're not interested in, just pass it until you see one that you do. That simple. So again, that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.